Hello, what's up everybody? My name is Nick and welcome back to my YouTube channel Let Me Flow. Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about a common problem of fumbling while we speak in English. I'm gonna share why do we fumble, what can we do to overcome this difficulty. I'm gonna share some major reasons because of which we fumble a lot while we try to speak in English. Number 1. We try to speak too fast while speaking in English. We usually assume that we sound attractive, we sound like native speakers. We try to speak fast and we end up fumbling a lot. Number 2, English is not our mother tongue. It is our second language. We are surrounded by the environment in which all of the people speak in mother tongue. They don't speak in English. Whatever we speak in our native language, our tongue is not in the habit of speaking English words, our tongue is not in the habit of speaking English sentences. This leads to fumbling. Number 3, lack of vocabulary. When we try to translate any kind of situation, we need to know the proper word for that particular situation, for that particular sentence. Or you can say, when we don't know the right word to use, we may struggle to express our thoughts effectively and we start to fumble while speaking in English. Number 4, accent. Accent can sometimes make it difficult for non-native speakers to be understood, leading to fumbling as they try to speak, as they try to repeat the sentences, as they try to clarify what they have said. The accent of a native language is different, and when it comes to speak in English, we try to speak like foreigners, we try to speak like native speakers. So these kind of thoughts also hit our mind while we speak in English. Number 5, we don't practice enough of speaking in English. If somebody doesn't use English words, if somebody doesn't use English sentences regularly, they may struggle to remember vocabulary, they may struggle to remember grammar rules and speaking skills. It leads to fumbling when we attempt to speak in English. We all know very well that there are 4 important aspects: reading, writing, listening and speaking. But we need to pay more attention to speaking English just to make sure that we are not fumbling while using English sentences, while using English words. If you are reading, writing and listening, this is not enough. This is not going to help you unless you practice of speaking in English, unless you share your feelings in English. These are the main reasons because of which we fumble a lot while we speak in English. I want to say that it is okay to fumble while speaking in English because we are human beings. We are not robots that can speak everything in perfect manner. So always keep this thing in mind that it is completely normal to feel nervous while speaking in a language that is not your native language. You are not native English speaker. Try to speak in English in your way. Don't try to imitate others while speaking in English. Be an original version. The more you practice speaking in English, the more you comfortable and confident you will become. It means if you practice more, if you speak in English more, there are plenty of chances to improve your speaking skills. There are plenty of chances of fumbling less. Try to speak in English as much as possible, whether you are with your classmates, whether you are with your relatives, or even just by speaking to yourself. Try to read English contents that can easily get into books, newspapers, magazines that can help you in learning new vocabulary, structures and flow of the language. Just try to speak 25 to 30 minutes every day in English. Forcefully hit your mind with this thought during that period of time when you are trying to speak in English. So you will not speak in your native language. You will speak in English only with everybody. It doesn't matter that who is in the front of you. So you will speak with everybody in English. Whatever you are thinking in English, you will think in English only. So at the moment, during that period of time, try to focus on this point. Just after 20 to 30 days, you are going to see effective results in your speaking skills. It is not going to be drastic, but I'm telling you, after 30 days, there will be some improvements in your conversation in English. When you will be facing persons, when you will be talking to persons in English, there will be some kind of confidence. There will be some kind of improvements in you. Whenever you are facing any person, whenever you are trying to speak in English with somebody, so don't feel hesitate. Okay, that's it for this video, and I really hope it was useful for you. If that is the case, give this video a like, share this video with your friends, watch this video again and again and again, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.